Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a purchase order in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the apps option. In this new tab, type in purchase on the search bar, then click on install right here. Then this pop-up will appear where you will just click on confirm. Then just wait as the app is being installed. After that, the purchase option is now available in your dashboard. Click on it to open this new page. Then in here, click on orders from the navigation menu above. Then click purchase orders from the drop-down. In this new page, click on new from the top left corner. Then in here, just customize your purchase order form like adding the vendor, order deadline, and product. Once you're done, you may send it by email or print it depending on what is necessary. And that is how you can create a purchase order in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.